Alright, hello everyone, my name is Olivia Butera and I'll be teaching you guys all about Socrative. So, Socrative necessarily is a tool that provides an efficient way to monitor and evaluate learning. It saves time for educators as well for learners when learning new content. The reasons of use, Socrative pushes all learners to think of an answer and allows their teacher to assess how well the students are understanding the lesson, and students can also see what they need to work on based off their results. The goal for Socrative is to create a library of personal activities from quizzes to polls to on-the-fly questions or whatever type of activity you need and what your teacher provides. And it is quick, easy, and free, so students do not have to worry about a price. So we as students, I'm going to show you guys how to take a quiz on Socrative. Alright everyone, here we are on the Socrative homepage and we're going to press Student Login. And here we're going to enter a code that is normally provided by our professor so we can access the quiz, and then we're going to follow up with our last and first name so we can get that attendance in. Alright, so here we have the first question of the quiz. It seems to be multiple choice. Excuse me if I get some of these wrong. That's what Socrative is all about, so we get to see what's incorrect. Alright, first answer. My first answer was incorrect, but it is also followed up by the correct answer. So here we have a true or false. Alright, and that one was correct. Another multiple choice. Correct. Alright, and over here we get an explanation on why the answers were correct. Here we have a short answer question. Alright, and now that everything's submitted, all those answers from the practice quiz will be given to our professor. Alright, so overall Socrative is an easy, free tool for students to see how well they understand the content through practice questions, or even, as we saw, true and false and short answers. So to all my students out there, I highly recommend suggesting Socrative to your professors. Thank you so much for watching.